not true. Burn them, man.
From biblical days. People fucked up from biblical days. So me no watch them with them pagan ways. Cause them want you to work like slave. Them don't want you safe. Them woulda rather see you failing at the grave. Them stuck in them ways. Them fucked up from biblical days. Them fucked up from biblical days. Them want we fi work like slave.
Push up pressure with this finger, so.
Thank you, Daddy.
That, you know?
How we need? Again, is him eat it with, you know?
You must be mad.
I swear to Jah. I first me see that. I rub me normally see.
Watch the thing. Watch the thing, Jack. Watch the thing.
How are the blood clot? What you think mash up your dog?
Watch the thing, Jack. Lock it down, Rambo.
For me.
Hey,
And you have a big
keep
TikTok,
talking that
man.
fucker, you gonna make.
I got him! Take me with you! High five! Let go of me! Don't leave me down here!
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Kick it. Yeah, kick it. Kick it to me. Yeah. Kick it to that. Kick it to me. Kick it, yeah. Kick it to daddy. Oh. Pull it up. Yeah, kick it to me. Yeah. Ready? Kick. Kick it. Yeah, I tried to start. Let me see, but yeah. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
Wait.
You gonna be a soccer player? You like soccer?
Shout out to my daughter, Bumbo Clad kid. You're amazing, yo. I love you like how I love myself. I tell you. I serious love that, you know. Probably love you like how I love myself. You know? I serious love that, you know, bro. So listen, man. My daughter make a trade, her first trade, because she played with me trade in front the other day. She make her first trade today. You know, so my daughter make $52. And she said, how much percent? Was it 20%, 24%, 24%. She make $54, and then after she pay her taxes, I think she get mostly 53, 52. Her pay her fees. Yeah. My daughter not even 2 yet. Yo, my daughter go retrieve my 5, you know. Couple hours you do it yet. Not even a couple. She make it trade. And like, you know, like an hour or two. Yeah, hour or two. She make her 50 and go on her bed. What you mean? Real hustler. Yo, the chick don't fly far from the block. We had tell her just like how the bullet don't fly far from the Glock. Yo, my daughter, star. My style. Alright guys, on a business trip, so me show you what my hotel room look like, you know what I'm saying? So you walk in, you have your, this is your sink. Okay, your sink, your vanity mirror. Yeah, your sink. You get me, have your closet space. Yeah. Then you have your walk-in shower. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Can't complain. I never pay $1 for that. Then you have a toilet seat. Not bad, not bad. For all your shit takes. This is your living space. Not bad. Your room. Then you have outside. Boy, Donny British, see me, day 2, you know, my family land, that me I tell us in the family there, yeah man, mama big, yeah, mama big sleeping, what you mean, big sleeping, mama big sleeping, see mama is a dolly up, as always. Yeah.
Keep the hair combed, you know. Freshen up the makeup.
Freshen up the makeup.
Christian Dior, you see that?
Yeah. Well,
Pardon our face with Tatcha out here, guys.
Yeah. What happened to the YSL?
I didn't bring that.
Okay, mama left the YSL alone.
Only brought some things.
Some things can't bring out everything just in case of a break-in.
See?
Your boy Donny British. Yeah, I'm at the office right now for a meeting. 3 days worth of meeting, you know? Yeah, man, so right now, go outside. You know what I'm saying? Get fresh for the meeting. One of the company bathrooms now. How the kid look, Them say the kid not changing clothes. No way. Hello there. One of them things we are going to use, you know.
Hang out, get to know each other. You know, we talk to each other all day long over the computer. It's great to see people in person. So, introduce yourself. We're gonna solve something here. Try, or at least come up with some ideas. We should do it in small groups.
Yeah, outside in the bench here, you know. Yeah. Man's beaning. Outside at the office, you know. One of the buildings that, you know. Yeah, man, we're outside. See the Ranger. Yeah, big Ranger. See the next building over there, so. Life in the corporation, you know. Corporation pay me well. Yeah, corporation love me. Pay me well. Me can't complain about life. After your meetings completed, now if you go to the next half, you know. Bad dream.
Please step into the door.
Walk it out.
Does anyone want to ask their questions? I got them here, but do we?
Ooh, you turning the screen red? Oh, you're a crazy shopper. We got a mad shopper. Yeah, I heard, but these are I think these are way less like maintenance than compared to a chameleon.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Best starter pets. And that you can like.
Is it like a ride, baby? Yeah. There you go.
Open summer zoo.
It is at 2 or 3 in the morning.
If you put some soy sauce in it, it's a little less
Spicy.
hot.
And so she called an advocate person, and she's having surgery. This is in January and March.
Any other insurance? Just so you know. You can't stitch you, you can't bypass, we can't do anything. So when this time we got we oh no, we'll do it. We'll see if we go down with
You don't
But that's what this doctor
Oh god.
I know, isn't that weird?
It's super weird.
I know, 48.
Yeah. Yeah. We gotta get our car seat. Upgrade from the donor, you know? That's your spice, that's right. Yeah, the real ice spice, that's right. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah.
Ivy has officially moved on from her Duna to her Nuna. You love it, baby? Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah, she loves it already. Look at it. Pure baby luxury right there.